Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Namita, and in the last video we have covered how we can create the Google Forms. In today's video we will see how we can connect the Google Form with the Google Sheet so that all the responses of your Google Form will get captured in the Google Sheets automatically and in real time, and that also with just few clicks. So let's get into it. Suppose that you have created a Google Form for survey purpose or for event registration or for a quiz. You can link that Google Form to the Google Sheet, which means whatever entries or responses you are getting from your users, you will get all of them in your Google Sheets. Let's open the Google Form, search it in your favorite Google search engine and click on this first link. This link is also given in the description. Go to Personal and Google Forms. Another way of opening this is through your Gmail account. From the right hand side, click on this icon and you will get your application named Form. Click on it and you will land here. In the last video we had created our form. Let me show you how it was looked like. We had created email, open-end question, multi-choice, check boxes, linear scale, date type question. We had also added an image at the bottom and a header at the top. We had also implemented some validations for some questions. We can send this form to our users through email or just get the link. Select this shorten URL checkbox. You will get a short URL for your form and you can share it. If you have missed that video on how to create Google Forms, the link is there at the top in the cards and also in the description below this video. Now to see the responses of your Google Form, go to Responses. It will show the number of users who have filled your survey or quiz. Here it will show you the summary, like who has responded and how many percentage of people selected these options in each question. So it generates graphs for you automatically, so you do not need to do anything here to visualize your data. In this tab, you will get your data question wise, and through here you will be able to see the responses filled by every user. If you want to close your form and do not need any other responses, then deactivate this option of accepting responses. From these three dots, you can get the email notification for new responses. For example, whenever a user submits your form, you will get a notification email. You can also download and print your responses. If you want to make any other analysis for your data, then it is not possible in this platform. You need all your responses in your Google Sheets to make calculations or to play around with your data. Google Sheet is also very user-friendly to organize your data. So to get all my responses in Google Sheets, click here at the top, Create Spreadsheet. You can also get this window from this option, Select Response Destination. If you want your responses in already existing spreadsheet, then choose this option and select. This will show you all the spreadsheet that you have in your Google Drive. Choose the one which you want and click on Select. Let's create a new spreadsheet here. You can rename your spreadsheet. I'm fine with this name and click on Create. This has created a new sheet for me. You can find that sheet from your Google Drive. I'm going to my Google Sheets and here you can see a new sheet which we just had created. Let's open this and you can see all your responses in an organized manner. Let's fill one form. I'm clicking on this form link and then we will fill the survey. And then we will see how it is automatically getting added in the Google Sheets. I'm giving any dummy options and then we will submit this form. Go to your Google Sheet now and see it updates in real time. Very useful. If you want to unlink this form and your spreadsheet, go here and choose Unlink Form. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave if you are new to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Happy learning.